Okay, for case number 2, we're going to be using a power brush for that same first patient. First, we're going to go over how to hold the brush. Grasp your hand around the handle, thumb towards the power button. You're going to apply toothpaste to the power brush head and smooth it all over the teeth before you turn the brush on. I will demonstrate how to brush using my manual brush. You can notice that the brush heads are different sizes. This is the Oral-B power brush. It's much more circular, so you'll only be able to contact one tooth at a time. The Sonicare brush represents more of this style head, so we will demonstrate and discuss both methods. First, let's pretend this is a Oral-B, so a much smaller circular head, about half that size. After toothpaste has been spread, take your power brush and apply it at a 90-degree angle towards the tooth surface. We're going to start with the outsides. 90 degrees, go ahead and power it on. While it's inside the mouth, this will help prevent splatter. Hold the toothbrush head on each tooth for about 3 to 4 seconds before moving on to the next tooth. It's important to make sure you are covering both the tooth and the gum line. Do not press the bristles onto the tooth too hard. You should be able to hear a sound that you're doing it too hard, or some models light up as well. So 3 to 4 seconds per tooth in each quadrant. Should be about 30 seconds for everything in each quadrant. So once you're done with the outsides surfaces, you will go ahead and move to the insides next. Again, 90-degree angle to the tooth, 3 to 4 seconds per tooth. Once you reach the front teeth, which is the canine to that very center tooth, you will hold the brush vertically, 90-degree angle, 3 to 4 seconds per tooth. Once your insides have been completed, go ahead and move on to the occlusal. Again, 90-degree angle, 3 to 4 seconds per tooth. You do not have to move the brush back and forth, as its technology does all the work for you as it rotates, oscillates, vibrates. And that's how to brush with the Oral-B power brush. The Sonicare spin brush has more of this shape, so you'll essentially do the same thing, 90-degree angle, covering the tooth and the gum line. But it'll cover about, you can see, 2 teeth. So the importance here is spending 5 to 10 seconds per section before moving on to the next section. Make sure you're overlapping your last section to get all the surfaces. There's 5 to 10 seconds. You're going to do this about 5 times per quadrant to make sure you cover all of the surfaces. You'll repeat on the inside as well. Again, 5 to 10 seconds. And repeat that about 5 to 10 times per quad. So we did inside. Let's move to occlusal chewing surfaces. Again, 90 degrees, 5 to 10 seconds. Once you get to these interior linguals, again, you can hold the brush the vertical direction, 90 degrees. You're going to have to go tooth by tooth at this point. And that's how to brush using a power brush.